MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use the custom indicator for this MT4 on MT5, but you can use the moving averages if you want to and enter the value manually. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers. Make sure you practice on their demo account on the regulated Forex broker platform. It is advisable that you trade on regulated Forex brokers so that you will not waste your time trading on any broker's platform that are not registered, so that you will not have issue depositing or withdrawing your money. In my video description, I dropped some links to some of these regulated Forex brokers. Make sure you check it out and practice on their demo account. It is important that you practice any strategy, either paid signal or strategy or paid indicators. Any strategy or indicator you want to use, make sure you try it out on the regulated Forex broker demo account. And before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any major news that will affect the pairs you want to trade. And if there's any news, make sure you stay away from the news 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after the news, so that the fundamental analysis will not go against your technical analysis. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If this is the first time of coming across my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Now let's move on to today's strategy, and this strategy is made up of few Forex tools or Forex indicators to come up with this strategy. This strategy is profitable. Make sure you follow the simple rule that I'm going to highlight in this particular video. Make sure you follow me closely and make sure you've registered on a regulated Forex brokers to try this strategy on their demo account without any risk. Now let me go over this pairs. This is Euro and New Zealand pairs, and this particular strategy can be used on any pairs you want to trade. The fact that I'm using on Euro New Zealand or other on gold does not mean it's limited to all these pairs. You can use this on metal like gold, silver. You can use this on the cryptocurrency like BTC, ETC, Ethereum, Doge and the likes, and the pair. This strategy can be used on the indices like Nasdaq, US 30 or NAS 100. Any indices at all, you can use this particular strategy. You can use this on stocks like Amazon, the stocks. You can use it on Facebook, as many stocks as you have on your MT4. Having said that, let us move on. Here are combinations of moving averages. These are all moving averages of different values. And here I have stochastic indicator and TDI indicator, and I have another indicator here with this arrow. This is half length indicator with this big arrow. Then how do I use this particular strategy? Let us go over it one by one. Here I'm on 15-minute time frame, and all the moving averages are below the major or the big moving averages here. These are different values. We have the market below all the moving averages, and this is a good setting for anyone to profit from on either on live accounts or demo accounts. And when we have this is today is 15 November, and when we have this on the 15, this setup on 15, the only thing you are going to look out for now is sell. So this up arrow for buy is invalid, and this another sell arrow here, this small yellow arrow for a sell. This is a valid signal because it closed the candle closed below all the moving averages we have here. And yes, in another point for us to take another trade, it closed below the moving averages also. Here is another point to enter more trade. Here are another points to enter more trade, and this strategy delivered and gave us a good profit. Now let's go back a bit. The sell signal started from here. This is a buy signal here also. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and you can use it on any time frame you want. As a matter of fact, I like to enter on lower time frame. If the setting or the strategy give me signal on higher time frame, I'll come down to lower time frame like 1 minute to place my trade. And on 1 minute time frame, we have a lot of opportunity to place our trade, a lot of opportunity to enter more sell. You have a lot of opportunity. And what you can do, you can go to your 15 minutes and demarcate it where you have the signal generated. We have the first one here. Then you go back to lower time frame to trade either 1 or 5 minutes time frame and only trade in the direction of that major trend. This is where we have it on the 1 minute time frame. This is the point. So from this point you can keep on entering sell setup and you will not take any buy at all, though it broke above this point. Yeah, you are not going to take this particular trade. Wait again when we have it here and enter more trade again and keep on adding to your lot. So this is how to trade on lower time frame. Let's check it out on the Euro Australia dollar also. Here is it on 15 minutes. Let's check it out on 1 minute time frame. And here is it on 15 minute time frame rather, and we have a set up here. From this particular point, it closed below the moving average. We have confirmation from the arrow here to enter more sell, and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high when you enter that particular trade. And this is how to make money from this strategy. Now let's check it out on gold, because I have placed some trade on gold. So I would like to show you and explain in detail how I use this with the other indicators. So on 15 minutes time frame, we have a buy signal generated at this particular point yesterday, and today the uptrend continues. So you can enter more trade here at this particular point, and your stop loss will just be few pips below this and not here. This is too wide for me, so I'm not going to place my stop loss here. I will place it at this particular point and ride the trend. And this is how to do that. And if you want to place this particular trade, make sure you have a stochastic in agreement, and you have a TDI in agreement at this particular zone. We have the two moving average crossing above the yellow thick line for TDI, and this is a good confirmation for a buy. And that was how I placed my trade. Let's check it out on 1 minute time frame, because and here is it on 1 minute time frame. And I have closed 3 trades using this particular strategy today, trading gold. And you can see that this is $450 trading this particular strategy. It is simple, and you can trade using this particular strategy. And you see where I place my stop loss, just few pips below the previous low here, and this is my stop loss, why I allow the market to run. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Make sure you practice it on the demo account unregulated forex broker. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Practice, and I say it again, practice on a regulated forex brokers account. Do not waste your efforts practicing or trading or going live trading on the brokers platform that are not regulated. All the indicators I use for this particular strategy are in my video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. I did include my template so that you will use my template and have the same chart like mine. These are a lot of moving averages and I cannot be adding it manually on the chart, but in my video description I dropped the links to all these moving averages and all the indicators I use. Just make sure you download them and use my template, then you have the same chart like mine. If there's any question, you can chat me up or drop your comment. It is important that you trade on regulated forex broker. Very, very important. Do not waste your time practicing on a broker's platform that is not regulated. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. I have been using them and I do not have any issue trading with them, either depositing money or withdrawing my hard-earned money. Please trade on regulated forex broker. Trade on regulated forex broker. I say it again, trade on forex regulated brokers, and make sure you demonstrate any strategy before you go live with it, either paid indicators or paid forex signal or paid forex strategy. Make sure you try it out on your demo account, on your forex trading demo account before you go live. It is advisable you do that.